Friction. The force of friction always opposes the applied force. Friction is caused by the irregularities on the two surfaces in contact. Even those surfaces which appear very smooth have a large number of minute irregularities on them. Irregularities on two surfaces lock into one another. When we attempt to move any surfaces, we have to apply force to overcome interlocking. On rough surface, there are larger number of irregularities, so the force of friction greater if a rough surface is involved. The force required to overcome friction at the instant an object starts moving from rest, measured as a static, is involved. The force required to overcome friction at instant an object starts moving from rest is measure of static friction. On the other hand, the force required to keep the object moving with the same speed is a measure of sliding friction. If an object started moving, it would never stop if there were no friction. Friction is an evil too. I wear out the materials, whether they are screws, ball bearings, soles of shoes. The substances which reduce friction are called lubricants. When one body rolls over the surface of another body, the resistance to its motion is called rolling friction, since the rolling friction is smaller than the sliding friction. The common name of gases and liquid is fuel. We can that fuels exert force of friction on object is an motion through them. The friction force by fluid is called drag. The frictional force on objects in the fuel depends on its speed with respect to the fuel.